Yo, welcome to AllThingsElectronX, the only place on the internet where the tech has more aura than a TikTok star. If you're tired of NPC reviewers reading off a spec sheet like they're in a trance, you've finally reached the final boss of Gadget YouTube. We are officially locking in on every single piece of hardware on the planet. From the $5,000 gaming rig that gives off pure Sigma energy to the weird, obscure retro tech found in the backrooms of a thrift store. If it has a circuit, it's getting a full vibe check. No cap, we aren't skipping anything. We're on a global side quest to review every single device. We're talking smartphones that make your current one look like a brick, VR headsets that transport you to the trenches, and even the kitchen tech that's low-key valid. This isn't just a review channel, it's a tech obsession. We do the performance tests that actually matter, the teardowns that reveal the hidden lore inside your devices, and the comparisons that prove whether your new gear is actually elite or just straight mid. We're talking phantom taxing the industry for the truth. The mission is simple: no hype, no bias, just pure electronics obsession. We don't care if it's from a billion-dollar company or a basement in Ohio. If it runs on electricity, we're checking its stats. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and make sure your setup isn't cooked, you need to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't be a lurker with zero riz. Join the AllThingsElectronX squad, and let's see what these circuits are actually capable of. We're live, we're locked in, and we're never stopping the grind. Let's get it.